Hey everyone, it's Bob from snoringmouthpieceguide.com. Today I'm going to review the Good Morning Snore Solution. When you order this, it's going to come in a retail package like this one, and this is one of those hard to open plastic packages, so I went ahead and pre-cut it so that I can get into it very easily. This is the instructions, and then a polydent tablet. Also, you'll get the mouthpiece, of course. And the first thing you're going to notice about this is that it doesn't look like all the other ones that you may have seen before, where they actually fit entirely inside of your mouth and you have to do like a boil and bite type thing. This is actually works on a different principle where it holds your tongue forward instead of your entire jaw. So what you do is you press in on this bulb here, and then as you press in on it, you put your tongue at the very end and it sucks your tongue into the bulb, and that's how it stays in place. Now this would be where your gums are right here, and this is going to be where your lips rest right here. So this is how it rests. And the actual mouthpiece, whenever I took it out, I noticed that it's really pliable. I thought it was going to be a hard plastic type material, but this is a really stretchable, pliable material, and it's also really thin. The walls here are surprisingly thin. I thought it was going to be a little bit thicker, so that's definitely a plus. As far as fitting it, there's really no need to boil it. You actually don't boil it. You just basically use this polydent tablet here, and you drop this into a cup of cold water. And when you drop it in, it's going to dissolve, and at that point you want to drop in the mouthpiece for 10 minutes, and that cleans it. And this is something you're going to want to use every day whenever you get done using it. So, and you can buy these polydent tablets at your local drugstore. There's no special tablet that you need to purchase for it. So 10 minutes in the cleaning solution, you take it out, let it dry, and then it's ready to use. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out, and I'll get back with you and let you know how it worked out for me. Okay everyone, I'm back, and I've been using the Good Morning Snore Solution now for a week, and I'm going to let you know what I think about it. I'm going to give you the pros, the cons, and then give you my recommendation. So to start off, I'm going to tell you what I really liked about it, and that was the fact that it's really compact in design, and it doesn't take up a whole lot of room inside of your mouth. If you look at your standard boil and bite, and these can be quite thick, and also this goes entirely inside of your mouth, whereas this device just rests between your lips and your gums. So it kind of sits here. Here's your tongue. This would be your lips here, and this would be your gums here. So it really doesn't take up a whole lot of room inside of your mouth, which is definitely a plus. I like the material that it's constructed out of. It's a soft silicone-like material. It's very flexible, and it doesn't have any sharp edges. These are very dull, the edges, so they won't poke at your gums or irritate your gums. So I really like the material. I like the thickness of it. It's very thin, surprisingly thin actually. I was kind of surprised when I first got it to see how thin the material was. As far as cleaning, that's another thing I liked about it. You just take a denture tablet, you drop it in cold water, and then you put your device in, leave it there for 10 minutes, take it out, and shake it off, let it dry, and it's clean. So that's what I liked about it. One thing I didn't like about it was the initial adjustment period. It took about 2 or 3 days to get used to wearing it. As you can imagine, I mean, you're putting this on the end of your tongue, and this thing's stuck on your tongue the entire night, so it's kind of odd when you first go to bed, like putting it on and going to sleep. But after 2 or 3 nights, you get used to wearing it. Also, you know, the first couple of nights your tongue's going to be a little bit sore in the morning time, but that also goes away. So, you know, it's an initial adjustment period of 2 to 3 nights, and then after that, it works great. You don't have any problems. As far as my snoring, I completely took care of it. I haven't had any issues the entire time from the very first night up until last night. Didn't snore at all, so it does exactly what it's supposed to do. So that was good. As far as my recommendation, this is a product that I would definitely recommend if you're looking at getting something that doesn't take up so much room inside of your mouth, and you really would be interested in a unique device that's like no other. This is definitely something worth trying. So that was my review on the Good Morning Snore Solution, and more information can be found at snoringmouthpieceguide.com. Thanks for watching.